Got an unboxing video for everybody. So I've got an E36 that I race, and aside from being a great platform handling wise, consumables on it are very, very economical as compared to a lot of modern cars. This is a nice little haul here that had some surprisingly good ending on these calipers right here. But anyway, I got 4 Raybestos rotors for $189 after tax and shipping from Rock Auto. And then I got, for 133 bucks, I've got some brand new stainless lines. I've already got them all now, but they've been on the car for a bit, and it's probably good to replace those every so often. Thank you, Bimmerworld. Always sends you gummy bears. Here's the cool part is these right here. I was thinking about rebuilding my brakes and pricing out all the different parts, and then it's obviously nice to have a powder coating on there, but honestly, these 4 calipers are remans, and the total cost after shipping and tax for all 4 sides, all 4 corners, was 386 bucks after you return your existing calipers for core charge. So I'm like, okay, that seems a little bit too cheap, but let's take a look here. So here they are. First off, the impressions, the powder feels good, and it's feels thick, smooth. You can see that they did a pretty good job of making sure that the powder didn't get in the threads. Looks like very likely brand new piston. Let's see here. Yeah, pre-greased the guide pins. I'll probably end up putting some brass bushings in there, but you know, I've capped everything, and I imagine it's probably got oil in there already. But altogether, pretty nice little package. I'm not sure if I would have powdered the part where the brakes, the actual brake pads go in, but I imagine I can probably put some lubricant right there to make sure they slide. But they came with a retainer clip and a couple of washers. But there's the fronts. They don't have the M on there like the stock ones, but and then here's the rears. Look like the same. Pretty nice little haul for about 700 bucks.